Good morning everyone. We are discussing chapter 1 number system. In this today we are going to learn about the expanded form. If a numeral is given, after putting the given numbers of the numeral in the place value chart, if you are writing the number according to the value of that place, it is called as expanded form. We will expand the number according to its value and we will write. For example, one numeral is taken 5,62,917. First we will write this in the place value chart. Ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So this is separated into periods as you know. Ones, thousands, lakhs, and 10 crores will be crores. Now 5,62,917. Now according the number 5 is there and we are expanding and writing means according to the lakhs. For example, 5 into lakh, 5 lakhs plus 6 10,000s, 6 into 10,000s plus 2 into thousands, 2,000s plus 900s, 9 into 100 plus 110, 1 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So like this, according to the value of the place, we are expanding each number and we have written. This is the expanded form. If they have given in the expanded form, you have to write the numeral. If they give the numeral, you can expand and write. We will see some examples from your exercise 1A. So first one, 5,16,287. So now I am writing 7, 8, 2, 6, 1, 5. So 5,16,287. Now expanding and writing. So 5 into 1 lakh plus 1 into 10,000 plus 6,000, 6 into 1,000, 200s, 2 into 100 plus 8 tens, 8 into 10 plus 7 ones, 7 into 1. This is the expanded form of the numeral. One more we will see. 9, 1, 3, 2, 7, 4, 6. So in this numeral, 64,72,319. Now we are expanding and writing 6 in 10 lakhs place. So 6 into 10 lakhs plus 4 lakhs, 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 10,000s, 7 into 10,000 plus 2,000s, 2 into 1,000 plus 300s, 3 into 100 plus 110s, 1 into 10 plus 9 into 1. This is the expanded form. Now if an expanded form is given, you have to write the number. Now we are going to write the number. First one, 5 into lakh, 1 lakh, 5 lakhs. So 5 lakh. 1 into 10,000. In 10,000 place 1. 4 into 1,000, 4,000. 7 into 100, 700. 3 into 10, 30, tens place. 8 into 1, 8. So the number is 5 lakh 14,738. Another one we will see. Nine into 10 lakhs. So in 10 lakhs place 9 should come there. 9. They didn't give any lakhs place. They gave 1,000, 8,000. So this remaining places will be 0. 800, 800 and 8. So the number is 90 lakhs 8,808. So like this you have to write. If they give expanded form and expanded form is given, you have to write according to the numeral. Face value of a number of a digit in a numeral and place value of a digit in numeral. Any number is given. For example, 246 is given. What is the face value of 4 in this number? Means if a numeral is given, if they are asking the place value, the value of a digit itself, 4 is there means 4 is only the face value of 4. Whatever the place may be, whether it is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, the face value will be the same. Another example, 247. What is the face value of 7? Face value of 7 is, the answer will be 7 only. So whatever the face value of a digit in a numeral is, the value of the digit itself, if it is 7, the 7 only. Next, coming to the place value of a digit. Place value of a digit is the face value of the digit into the value of the place. For example, I am taking one digit 2,436. I want the place value of 4. Place value of 4. So according to this, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So according to the formula, the face value of the digit, the 4 face value is 4 only into value of the place. What is the value of the place? 100. So 400. What is the place value of 4? 400 is the place value. One more example. Here we will see, to this example only we are going to see the values. 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 6. What is the place value? 6 into ones place. 6 ones are 6. 3. What is the face value of 3? 3 only. 3 into 10. 30. 4. 4 into 100. 400. 2. 2 into 1,000. The value of the place is 1,000. 2,000. Like that we will write. Here related to this one example, and we are going to see from your exercise 1A. Write the place value of 4 in 8,46,572. Now we are writing this 7, 5, 6, 4, 8. They are asking the place value of 4. So what is the formula of place value? Face value into value of the place. Now, what is the face value for 4? 4 itself into the value of the place is 10,000. So, 4 into 10,000, 40,000 is the place value of the 4. Next, find the difference between the place values of 2 sixes in this number. So, here 2 sixes are there. You have to find the value. First, we will write the number or numeral. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. First 6. Value of first 6. 6 into 1 lakh means 6 lakhs. Value of second 6 is 6 into 1000. 6,000. Now, difference between them, difference equal to 6 lakhs minus 6,000. So, 0, 0, 0, 10, 9, 5. 10 minus 4, 6, 4, 9, 5. So the answer is 5,94,000. Like this you have to find out the place values. Thank you.